purpose of watching news channel? We all want the latest news, the latest information, what's currently going in our country. But yeah, surely the news channels are not doing what they actually need to do. We are not getting the proper information. We are not getting actually anything. Why don't we call them just political serials who are running about a specific person? We are actually watching news channel to know more about the farmers, the country, the education system and everything. I know you might not know the transgender rights in our country, but all of you know how India breeds or how everything is like all the entertainment and everything. We are just watching the news channels and it's correct to say them the political dramatics of the society. Yeah, because we know what's the next thing, what they'll say, how they'll actually react to situations. Like in the other day I was reading a news and they wrote like Amitabh Bachchan, how Amitabh Bachchan had his first breakfast in the morning. And do you seriously think we want all this? And something that is very, very, very wrong in this country is the news channels are already based on so much of TRP. They are only working to get the money and for them. The other thing that's wrong with the news channel is the religion card. Every news you hear in this country always have a religious side, be it the deaths, murders, massacre. You'll hear everything that is related to religion. Even this country has not left the COVID-19 by parting it for religion. The Tablighi Jamaat, they also connected the thing with religion and everything. So this is not what the common people wants in this country. I just want to say that there should be laws and ethics. There should be things that the news channels should say. I'll actually want to speak that the digital channels are doing much better, because when I surf the internet and when I hear and I read news, there are like variety of news, sports news, entertainment news and everything. But when we see the news channels, mostly these Aaj Tak, India TV, News 18, they just run the same headline all day. We want to hear about education, we want to hear about farmers, we want to hear about most of the things that we are not getting from the news channels.